Today we're going to be solving equations with variables on both sides. However, we've got grouping symbols, and when we see grouping symbols, particularly with a number on the outside of the parentheses, you probably already know that we need to use the distributive property first. So we're going to do 4 times 4 to get 16, and we'll do 4 times negative w to get negative 4w. And then we'll write the rest of our equation. Now we're going to do the inverse with the variables. So I'll draw my river. I'm going to subtract 2w. So my 2w's cancel. Negative 4w minus 2w is negative 6w. Still have 16, still have my equals, and I'll bring down 2. Now I'm going to do the inverse for my constants. And since I'm over on the left-hand side of the river, that means I've got to do the inverse and move over to the right. My 16's cancel. I still have negative 6w. And 2 minus 16 gives me negative 14. And then my last step in this problem is going to be to divide. Remember that if you're multiplying as your last inverse operation, it would be a variable over a number. But in this case, we're going to divide because we have a constant right beside a variable. So I'm going to divide by negative 6. So w equals positive, because two negatives are make a positive, 14/6, which can be simplified to 7/2. And we could plug that back in and check if we wanted to, and we would see that both sides of our equation are equal.